Right, so just trying to make a gasket here for this weed eater engine. So what I've done is I've put on some decal vinyl. I've just put some decal vinyl on here just to make the template. Just cutting it out with the X-Acto knife just to make the template. And you just got to do the bolt holes here, and then I'm going to trace it onto some cardboard, and yeah, just going to see how it goes. Haven't tried it before, but apparently lots of people seem to do it, so just trying to tidy up this stencil. Just got to do these holes, try and get this on a better angle so I can work on it at the same time. There we go. Oh, that's not the hole, is it? Where's the hole? I can kind of look up, hold it up to the light and see. Just get that started. Yeah, I was just watching a guy on YouTube did this for a water pump, so he did his using masking tape, so probably want to do it with that because you probably don't have this decal vinyl. So yeah, got that on, and yeah, just wonder if you could just use that vinyl as a gasket. Don't know. Guess we'll try take it off now and make our gasket, the cardboard. Right, so got that done. Only thing I noticed is I didn't cut this part here, and don't know how important that is. I guess it's important, but oh well. I'll just try it anyway. Everything else seems to line up pretty good. So got the piston back on. yeah, so that's pretty much it.